In this episode of the Huberman Lab Podcast, Dr. Maya Shankar, a cognitive scientist and former senior advisor to the White House, discusses the topics of identity, goals, motivation, and navigating major life changes. She shares research on identity formation, goal setting, and motivation, as well as practical tools for determining and assessing one's identity and goals. The conversation begins with a discussion on how identity is formed through observation of others and our own beliefs. Dr. Shankar introduces the concept of identity foreclosure, where external structures and beliefs limit our mindset and potential. She shares her personal experience of losing her identity as a violinist due to a career-ending injury and how she reframed her identity based on her underlying desires for emotional connection. Dr. Shankar emphasizes the importance of anchoring our identities to why we do things rather than what we do, suggesting finding the through line that connects our passions and interests for a more durable and fulfilling sense of identity. The conversation then shifts to the development of identity during adolescence and teenage years. Dr. Shankar explains that the brain undergoes significant changes during puberty, leading to a desire for independence. This newfound independence prompts teenagers to question who they want to be outside of the structures imposed on them. The concept of essentialism is discussed, and how it can limit a growth mindset and lead to feelings of shame. Dr. Shankar suggests adopting a more capacious understanding of identity, recognizing that we are collections of behaviors and thoughts that can change over time. The experience of delight and awe is explored as a factor in shaping our identities and passions. Dr. Shankar suggests that delight is linked to experiences that fill us with a sense of awe and energy. Awe-inspiring experiences can have both positive and negative emotional valences, and they contribute to our overall sense of identity. The conversation highlights the need to cultivate intrinsic motivation and to embrace change and growth in order to shape our identities and achieve our goals. Dr. Shankar shares personal anecdotes and insights from her own journey, emphasizing the power of imagination, courage, and adaptability. She encourages listeners to explore their passions, embrace uncertainty, and remain open to new possibilities. Throughout the podcast, Dr. Shankar emphasizes the value of embracing change, curiosity, and resilience in shaping one's identity and goals. She shares practical strategies for sustaining motivation, such as setting shorter-term goals and using temptation bundling. She also discusses the importance of empathy, understanding others' perspectives, and cultivating all types of empathy. Overall, this episode provides valuable insights into the formation of identity, the importance of anchoring our identities to underlying desires, and the role of awe and delight in shaping our passions. The conversation highlights the need to constantly evaluate and update our understanding of ourselves, embrace change and growth, and cultivate empathy in order to navigate major life changes and achieve our goals.